Hello everyone, InfoSec Gurung here, and in this video we'll be seeing some of the Discord communities we have based on security. Some few points to remember is that first, all the servers mentioned here are white hat servers. So no black hat queries will be entertained, and please don't go and ask, can you hack my XYZ social media account, or because you'll be either kicked or banned from the server. Second is read the rules channel carefully and adhere to it. The next is that if you are a skid or a script kiddie who just likes to play with the tools but doesn't wanna learn the inner workings of how stuff works, then you can close this video because the community won't welcome you. And if you are a noob who really wants to learn, then the community will welcome you with open arms. Next is to research your query before you ask. So please do Google it and do give don't ask to ask.com, nohello.com, and Stack Overflows. How do I ask a good question? Because it will be essential when you ask your queries. Alright, we come to the categories and timestamps of this entire video. Do note that this is the first video which I'm uploading. Due to traveling reasons, I wasn't able to create the whole video, so I'm uploading this first part. There are categories like ethical hacking servers, then servers which provide free tutoring, then we have servers which have their own CTFs. In student InfoSec communities, we have the InfoSec Prep server and TMHC, which is the Many Hats Club. Then we have servers which focus on malware analysis and reverse engineering. And last but not the least, we have physical security related server and a server for blockchain security. Feel free to skip any section of the video you'd like to based on your interest. We have three servers in the general hacking category, and those are Lock, OSEC, and 3D Lock. The osec.org is a community-led forum where you can discuss about computer science, malwares, reverse engineering, etc. They also run a continuous CTF where you can play by registering in their website. They have channels for reverse engineering here and about red teaming and bug bounties too. If you're using the tool Axiom in your workflow, then do give your feedback in this Axiom channel because Pry, Tavian, and other maintainers would be really happy to hear from you. Lock has a lot of channels for various needs. We have channels from Windows OS to Unix like family, from cryptography to networking. Also, you can tune into CTF discussions to discuss about various war games like Open the Wire. You can also find various programming related channels like Python and WebDev too. Do go and explore the miscellaneous channels, and you can even post your pet's picture in the Animal Pics channel. The Resources channel has links to some of the great content which will surely be of help to you because they are well curated. 3D Lock has also quite a lot of channels ranging from ethical hacking to programming. They have a nice channel on how to start in the field of ethical hacking here, and the admins and mods also host monthly events which focus on programming in general, and it has prizes as well. You can apply for the helper team so that you can help others and answer their queries. Now we have servers which give free tutoring to the community. There are two servers. First one is WhiteHat Hacking and the second one is Digital Overdose server. In WhiteHat Hacking server, the InfoSec guy streams on Twitch and YouTube, and he has done videos on topics like Python fundamentals, programming, and he has recently streamed on how to set up a server. You can check WhiteHat Hacking's site, and if you log in as preview as guest, then you can see the courses they have put on as well. In the Digital Overdose server, the tutoring takes place in the server itself. It is headed by Mrs. Kelly, Knight, Atomic Nikos, and Eternal Paradox. You can check out their tutoring announcement channel and read the FAQs. The tutoring takes place at 8 p.m. Amsterdam time, and they also post their PPTs which they have taught in the tutoring announcement channel. So don't forget to check it out if you miss the teaching. The next category we have is servers having their own CTFs, which means capture the flag competitions. For more information on CTFs, you can watch the introductory video on CTFs by Live Overflow. Here we have four servers, which is Laptop Hacking Coffee, Square Root -1 plus 1, Gateway, and Hacker 101 server. Do remember to read the rules page carefully and adhere to the rules. In Laptop Hacking Coffee, their server has a lot of channels for various fields of security. And for CTFs, you need to log in their website using your Discord ID, and you can just start solving challenges. The Shazbot tracks what you have solved as shown here, and you can check out the scoreboard in the channel as well as the website. Also, a bonus point is that they have an awesome compiled wiki of resources, so you can just check it out and it may be of help to you. The members of Square Root -1 plus 1 CTF server have organized the ImaginaryCTF, which has a new challenge every 24 hours. You can play the CTF in their server as well as in their website. You need to register if you play through the website, and if you'd be playing in the server, then you would head over to CTF channel, find the flag to the respective challenge, and submit it to the CTF challenge bot with this format, and that's it. They have seasons which resets every month. If you have any doubts, then read the FAQ before asking, and you can also pull a ticket. The Gateway Community CTF is hosted by the Gateway server. You can register through their website by using your Discord ID and then solve the challenges. The admins are looking forward for web and porn challenges, so if you want to author a challenge, then you can DM them about it. For more updates, you can check out their Twitter handle, which is @GatewayDiscord. The fourth one we have is the Hacker 101 server, which is powered by the platform HackerOne. You'll need to make an account on HackerOne first and then complete the challenges in the CTF. They also have a video series on pen testing, web hacking, mobile hacking, etc. And you can unlock private bug bounty program invitations in HackerOne if you solve enough challenges. For more info on that, you should be checking their Getting Started section in hacker101.com. Now we arrive at student InfoSec communities. We have two right now, which is the InfoSec Prep and TMHC, that is the Many Hats Club server. If you're preparing for any certifications like the OSCP or the OSWP from Offensive Security or certifications from eLearn Security, then this is one of the servers you should join. A reason for this is that you'll find many people who are preparing for the same certification as you are. So you don't have to be alone in this journey. This is a great way to network and build relations with the friendly hackers out there. The Many Hats Club server is very well known in the InfoSec community. They have a podcast which features stories from a wide range of InfoSec people in the server itself, which is hosted by CyberSec Stu, who is the owner of the server. But if you miss a live talk, then you can check out the podcast in this link. They also ran two conferences last year, which is the ConInt and the Isolation Con, where they raised $30,000 for nonprofits. For more information on ConInt, then you can check out conint.io/YouTube. Now we have servers which are pretty unique, and by unique I mean that they focus on a field of security which is not that well known. For example, physical security or blockchain security. So the first server we have is Abstract Security Server, which deals with the physical security side, which includes lockpicking, social engineering, surveillance, OSINT, etc. So the server admin
Noman has written a blog on how to get started with physical security, and he has also interviewed professional people like Deviant Olam, the not so civil engineer Brent White, etc. The community welcomes beginners, and they have a meetup session every week. They also have a project to map out different areas of physical security, and maybe you can even help them. For blockchain security, we have the server Blockchain Pentesting. So this server started like a year ago and is a pure gold mine for beginners who are starting in this field. It's a place where you can discuss about smart contracts, exploits, and security issues within them. They have channels for all people regardless of their experience, and you can follow them on Twitter for more updates.
We now have servers focusing on malware analysis and reverse engineering. One is Axial and the other one is a reverse engineering server. So Axial has nerds raising the caliber of security research. You can check out their blogs and community papers, and they right now have two projects, which is Raptor and Hogbase. Along with Inquest Labs, they have created a library of malware samples called Raptor. As you can see, there are really a lot of samples you can study for research purpose only. If you don't know how to begin your journey in malware analysis, the server members will surely help you. You can submit your malware analysis reports to, and they'll be happy to publish it. Hogbase is a well curated library for people interested in threat group and their artifacts. You can also use the Hogbase bot in their server to find out more about the samples. This brings me to VX Underground, which is one of the largest collection of malware source code, sample and papers on the internet. You can visit the website and explore what they have to offer. Do give them a follow on Twitter to get the latest updates. In the reverse engineering server, the community is very helpful and they have professionals from whom you can ask for advices. Look into the beginner resources channel and you'll find a lot of resources to start in RE. And yes, please do contribute back if you reach a level where you can help out newbies. So this is the end of the video, but I would like to tell you some points. First is that kindly do not join all the servers at once because it won't make any sense. And like join the servers which lies in the category of your interest. Okay. For example, like if I'm into CTFs and if I want to improve on finding the flags faster, then it would make sense more to me to join those servers which lie in the category of CTF in this video. Okay, and second thing is that I know I haven't covered many servers in this video since I don't know about it. So on top of this, I'd like to thank HKing from Lock and Elemental X from Axial since they helped me identify some of the great Discord servers which I've mentioned in the video. And third thing, to address this problem of not knowing like which servers are out there, I have made a GitHub repository which has invite links and some a brief description about what the server is about. So feel free to contribute to it. And on top of this, I would like to add about the awesome Discord community GitHub repository. Okay, and server admins, you should really look to this server, to this repository, and check it out. Maybe even add your server to it because it's a pretty detailed and very nicely compiled repository. That's it for this video. I hope you have this video is of some value to you, and thank you for watching. Bye.